transitioning out of one year into the next, I'm often asked by entrepreneurs a very similar question, and it's, hey, Dean, is a resolution a goal? And should I be creating resolutions for my business? Now, as far as creating them for your business, that's solely up to you. But yeah, I do it. I like to create resolutions. Now, is a resolution a goal? No, they're not. I don't see them that way. I see them as different. I see a resolution as being more of an intention or a commitment statement. It's a little bit more of a directional, like a strategy would be, but not quite a strategy. Whereas I see a goal as something that's more specific and measurable and has a timeline associated with it. A little bit more meat on that. So I see them as two different elements. I see them, though, as hand in glove. One can really, really support the other very well. So I'll create my resolution, and then I'll create some goals around that resolution. For example, one resolution might be, I'm going to put more focus on my marketing this year. No specifics, right? And without specificity, chances are that resolution isn't going to happen. That's where the goals come in. The goals come in and say, okay, I'm going to increase website traffic by 25% by the end of Q2 2025, right? And you might have several other goals like that support that resolution and make it more of a chance of that resolution happening. That's when you're doing resolutions properly in business. I hope this helps. Here's to your success. And you know what? Get your year in gear, folks. We'll see you soon.